Since the 1990s, in the case of, for instance, Iraqi Kurdistan, Turkey was the only option to cooperate. And it was like an obligation, but not a political preference to cooperate with Turkey. But as of today, today's Middle East, the Kurds have other options, not only Israel, but also the Gulf states, which are actually dominating the public opinion or the course of developments in the Arab world. At the end of the day, Iraq and Syria are Arab majority. If they are not Arab countries, they are Arab majority countries, and we can't deny or avoid the influence of the Gulf states in both countries. So in relation with that, Gulf countries, in my point of view, rather than Israel, also have a great potential to cooperate with the Kurds.